Yes, game was very difficult, but we play good. They attack too much, but we defend good first half, and second half we play good, and we score 2 goals. After last minute we score third goal, but Alhamdulillah we win this game. Very difficult game, and very important to win this game. And yes, I'm very happy because I score last goal, and we win. I win for my team, and we work good, and finishing we win this game. But now we focus for next game. Thank you to the fans, all the fans. Thank you to support my team, and see you next month, inshallah. Thank you.